How to create new campaign on Facebook Ads Manager on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go right here to this list, click on Ads Manager. After you click on Ads Manager, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is simple. Click on this little green option, it's called Create. Click on Create, choose fill all those informations, the awareness, consideration, and the conversion. I'm gonna choose reach, traffic, conversions, and click Continue. Now on this page, add the name of the campaign, the category, and for example I'm gonna choose housing. Now add the campaign objective if you want to edit from here, and after you finish, click next. Now set the name if you want again from here, the conversion you can edit it, and now add the budget, the daily budget from here as you can see, and for example I'm gonna add $5. Now scroll down, add your location and your age and gender and all those stuff from here as you can see. Choose what people that you want to reach with this campaign, then click next. And now it's the final step. Add the Facebook page that you want to add, for example to add this campaign with, the setup from here, the format and the website URL, the languages, and after you fill all those informations, now it's the final thing. Just click publish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.